Welcome back, guys. We got another video. We're going to be changing out the cabin filter out of a 2005 Honda Element. This is good for other vehicles too, Civic, CR-V, Acura, but in our case, Honda Element 2003 to 2011. And here is the diagram on how to do it. I'll just actually show you this so you can take a pause, and then I'll show you that so you can take a pause. All right, let's do it. Here's the code. CP135 or CF10135. Come in here. All right, there's these little tabs right here. They're the stops. One's already missing on mine. Take a screwdriver and push it as you close it, and it'll pop loose. So that's what it looks like. This is gonna flop down. That's what it looks like. It's a little stop. So when you go back in, you'll put it in, push it in, all right? And those little edges will wedge. You're gonna come in, take that down, and then you're gonna come up here. You're gonna push this little part inward and pull towards you. All right, this is gonna come like that, slide out. So push that little clip inward, and this it'll slide out. Now, for reference, we're gonna go back. We already got the first cover off. Now you just pull this out. Okay. Pull it out. It's gonna be filthy. There's the first one. And then we slide this over. Take this one out as well. A little bit of a struggle because it's got all this crap in there. So here they are. They were completely tore up. That's why I couldn't get good airflow, because they're blocked. So this is the positioning you want to have them. Pretty simple. Okay, so you want the airflow pointing down, all right? Put these back in the new housing. This one actually doesn't have, this actually doesn't show, so I gotta see the contrast. I think it's that. Let's see. Yeah. So this darker side is the downflow. And you want that pushed down in there good, past the tabs. And you're gonna put them in like that with the tabs in the center. So line them up like this, tabs in the center, and then we'll go underneath. Put one in, slide it over, the other one, slide it in. So you want this tab over here on the end to go right in here. It's locked, just like that. So with this tab piece, you have to get past this tab first when you're closing. So when you're closing it, you'll put it in slightly. You'll get past the tab. You'll get past the tab in there, and you'll put the rest of it in. Then you'll go ahead and push that thing closed. You just want to make sure it is in there. And it is, and now it's locked in place. If you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.